chauffeur is taking us to a new spot. Views here are incredible. So we're actually near a lake. I'm not sure exactly what it is right now, but we're at some waterfront villages in front of near Angkor Wat, I believe. There's food and things like that, so we kind of check it out and see what's over here.
Nhiệt độ là không bộ đàm nó chanh nhá, tại ăn bro. Mưa ăn.
So all the food is the same.
Baby, watch out your forehead.
Oh yeah. Little area where I think they're just relaxing before we start to explore. So we just finished up lunch, relaxed a little bit, and it's very like authentic. Some of the best Cambodian food I had so far here, I think. A very like traditional experience as well. Yeah, the lake that's near Angkor Wat, definitely not good for swimming. It's like still water, not non-moving water.
Shalad Beach.
It's worse than Shalad Beach, baby. It's not.
Everyone.
Cho thon món không? Cho thon mà to hay không làm?
So we're finally at a new temple, second temple, right behind Angkor Wat. It's a pretty big temple, very nice.
Let's go to Dam ở đây này. Hello.
Tại tới cái nào mình dùng được cái gì ra thông thằng này.
So the name of this place is actually the Bayon Temple. Might be butchering it, but Bayon Temple. It's very nice. It's right behind Angkor Wat, and definitely wanted to see it before we leave Siem Reap, which is soon. Yeah, I don't know if the video is capturing it, but the statues are like amazing. What? Kia?
Chiều.
Oh, that. I don't know if it's picking it up, but there's bats up there.
Ô, sợ xa đó. Sợ bà. Get ăn quấy nữa.
Babe. I want
Then you go a little bit up.
to get a picture.
Yeah.
I want a nice picture. I love the face on that. So nice. A lot of these statues, ruins, they're starting to deteriorate. So showing its life, it's definitely breaking apart. It's so unfortunate. Definitely way different than Angkor Wat. That's just beautiful. That back one right there.
是啊，你要给像上像。我们5天都在这，在那里。哪里一张我们要回去？在哪里？这个要快点，那对对对，说呢。
I see something up here. What that? But spam dog.
Cô ấy chờ bánh. Đi đẹp đây một quân. Look the job, the bird, see her?
Yeah. Careful, guys. I think we got most of everything. A lot of it is just ruins and more ruins.
That's the ruins and the clays and the concrete.
It's very beautiful though.
Oh, look, the history right here too, baby.
What is it?
Look, you can see the whole beach.
Oh yeah.
Sorry. Oh, you can't. Be careful.
What is it?
Oh, this side is a monk.
Look back. I gotta go in this way. You see where's that? But oh, it's in Rome. The artwork is, and the rocks and stuff, it's definitely different than the ones that Angkor Wat are compromised of, right?
Yeah.
Like,
They're trying to match it up. Look, you see the new stone?
yeah.
Oh, I see it now. So they pile these stones to keep track of it. The history, the drawings right there.
Yeah. They can't just throw it away. In the front, there's a piling of them.
Yes.
They keep all of these stones together. It's pretty cool. And I think we're gonna call it. So here's like the last view. It's beautiful.